10 reasons why you might fail the driving test. Impatience and rush while giving the driver's license test. Unfamiliar with the road safety tips and set of traffic rules. Wrong choice of time, date, or location for your driving test. Unserious while taking the driving lessons back at your driving school. Not paying heed on other people's suggestion and experience with the same. Didn't practice the hazard perception test modules multiple times. Failure to carry the required documents to the driver's test center. Not concentrating on the road while giving the license test. Getting too nervous while changing gears or handling other car parts. Choosing the wrong mode of car transmission resulting in risky driving. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.